In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create timetable on Notion 2025. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once your workspace loads, we'll create a fresh spot for your timetable. Click New Page, give it a clear name so you can find it later. Then we'll set up the structure that makes a timetable easy to read. On this new page, choose to enter a table and make sure you're using the table view. This gives you a clean spreadsheet-style layout that's perfect for scheduling. You'll see columns across the top and rows underneath. Think of each row as a single class or time slot, and each column as a category of information you want to track. You can start typing data right away. Click any empty cell to add details like a subject, a day, or a note. Press Tab to move across columns and Enter to add a new row. Keeping names consistent, like Mon versus Monday, will make your table easier to scan. To make the timetable truly useful, click Add Property to select various categories to include. Properties are the column types that help you structure your information. For example, choose Select for your day column so you can pick from a tidy list like Monday through Friday. Use Date for the date or to add start and end times within a single entry. Text works well for subject or location. Multi-select is great for tags like lecture, lab, or exam. If you want to track a number, such as duration in minutes, pick number. You can rename each property by clicking its title, and you can drag columns left or right to place the most important ones first. Feel free to add any category your timetable needs. Common columns include subject, day, start time, end time, location, and notes. You might also add an instructor column or a priority tag if that helps you plan. Keep it simple at first, you can always refine later. If a column isn't useful, you can hide or delete it so your timetable stays focused on what you actually use. Now that your categories are set, fill in your rows with your real schedule. Enter your classes or appointments, double-check that the times and days are correct, and skim the table to ensure everything looks consistent and readable. That's it. You've opened Notion, created a new page, set up a table in Table View, entered your data, and customized your timetable with the properties that matter most to you. Save the page, and you're ready to reference or update your timetable whenever your schedule changes.